kiriro kiihũirwo ni maithori maruo kĩoge kuihũire icigĩrĩra cia Lake Victoria County ya Homa Bay. Aciari na arata magĩcakaya kũrwo ni endwa ao thutha wa mũtino wa gatarũ karĩa karakuĩte andũ 5 kũhagũka magĩtega thamaki thaa 7 cia kĩroko kiumia gũgĩkĩa, na atatũ ao marakua hau thutha wa kũrika maĩ-inĩ makĩgeria gwĩthambĩra mahonokie mĩoyo yao.
We have established that there were heavy wind, bad weather, and the fishermen were trying to cross over from the western side of the causeway towards the eastern side of the causeway. When now they met bad weather and heavy wind, the boat capsized. Fortunately, two of the 5 fishermen had donned life jackets, and they were rescued by the fishermen who are also fellow fishermen who are around. The other 3 succumbed to death.
Mwĩrĩ wa ũmwe wa arĩa marakuire nĩ ũrĩkĩtie kũhithũkio o rĩrĩ mĩĩrĩ ĩyo ĩngĩ ĩrĩ ĩrathiĩ na mbere na gwethanwo nayo. Mũingĩ oro ũndũ ũmwe na atagia thamaki makĩũrio metĩkĩre gwĩkĩraga magoti ma kũmagirĩrĩria kũrikĩra maĩ-inĩ rĩrĩa mĩtino ta ĩno yoneka.
We are expecting ship to pass from here all the way to Tanzania and Uganda. And because of that, the current that is going to be felt right under the bridge is going to be extremely severe. And this tragedy is just evidence of what we are talking about. And so the national government must do one, that they must have a boat here for urgent rescue.
And we need to have more rescue efforts, because this is an economic system that is supposed to boost the economy of this region. But with the tragedy that comes along with it, we should also look for mitigation measures that are going to make it very, very clear and plain that should there be an emergency, then we are able to kind of curtail these things.
To launch investigation on whether the boat was seaworthy and what might have caused the accident. Should we find anybody culpable, then I think other than retrieving the bodies and burying the bodies, we also need to serve justice to the ones that have lost their loved ones.
Shumigire hitoku mutino ta ũyũ rũĩ-inĩ rũrũ nĩ wahanĩkire handũ hetagwo Pierre Beach na ũgĩcũngĩrĩria ikuũ cia andũ 10. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Njenga Wambui.